Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error Chrome not enough memory to open this page on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Chrome error, no page opening on your Chrome browser, then here are the fixes. Open your Google Chrome browser and here click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. Here from the top left corner, click on three horizontal line and choose privacy and security. Here scroll down and click on delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, caches and more. Click on it. Here choose advanced and time range should be all time and make the check against all these options: browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data. And finally click on delete data. Clear your browser cookies and caches from your Chrome browser. This is the first and initial workaround, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. On the same page, again click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose hover the cursor on extension. Hover the cursor on extensions and choose manage extension. Choose manage extensions, and if you have added any extension to your Google Chrome browser, then simply turn the toggle button off to disable all your extensions added to your Google Chrome browser temporarily. And if your after your problem is resolved, again you can easily enable extensions and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and here type view advanced system settings. Open view advanced system settings. Here from the top menu bar, go to advanced options and under performance click on settings. Here again go to advanced tab from the top menu bar and under virtual memory click on change. Increase your virtual memory size. Click on change. A new page will open. Here uncheck the option automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. Uncheck this feature and make the check against option custom size. And here you will find two options: initial size and maximum size. What should be your initial size and maximum size of virtual memory? To increase the virtual memory size, initial size should be 1.5 into available physical RAM into 1024. Suppose you have available physical RAM is 4 GB, then your initial size is 1.5 into 4 into 1024, 6144 initial size. Enter 6144 under initial size of your virtual memory, and for maximum size 3 into available physical RAM into 1024. In initial size 1.5, but maximum size should be 3 into available physical RAM into 1024, 3 into 4 into 1024, 12288. This should be your maximum virtual memory size. Enter this figure and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes from the bottom of the page. And after increasing your virtual memory size, check whether your error Chrome not enough memory to open this page resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again open Google Chrome browser and click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. Here click on three horizontal line against top left corner and scroll down and go to system settings. Here you will find the option use graphics acceleration when available. Disable this feature. After disabling, close the windows and your issue, restart your system. Your issue of Chrome not enough memory to open this page